Well, it's been a crazy 2 days here. Starting yesterday, we got flooded out in our house and neighborhood, and it's still raining. We had no rain for something in the range of about 3 months, almost no rain as we were supposed to be getting it. So instead we're getting it all at once. So like 3 days straight. But this is what's going on now. Might as well turn off the pool. Seems a little pointless to be running the pool right now. This morning I got up and the sprinklers were on, so I shut that all off. But our yard goes down out here. Let's see if I can even see any of it. Not really, not without going into the lake. Can't even go through that way. So this is all part of our yard, and the rocks that you can see under there those rocks are part of the embankment for our house. Whew. This is pretty crazy. Normally I take the Sutton, the bike, down around these bushes. This is all yard here. There's part of the rocks. You can see a little bit. Now I gotta see if I can unclog a gutter. Ugh. Alright, I gotta get up in there. These, my friends, are the days of joys of home ownership. See if I can get up there. Whew. Yep, a lot of junk in there. Alright, let's try cleaning that out a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now that should stop. I hope. Unless I'm missing something else. Alright, I gotta shut this off and move the camera again. Okay. Got it. But it is not letting up. So I guess we'll see how far these rainwaters go. When you look at the height of the fire hydrant, whew. Not quite sure what I thought that wiping my face off with a drenching wet shirt was gonna do much anything. So, all right, wish us luck. I thought I would take a minute to update you because now it's a couple hours later and the waters are getting worse. So now they've come all the way up our driveway. It is definitely one huge lake at this point. Our neighbor's house, I'd worry a little bit because our neighbor's house is getting dangerously close. I think that their whole house would flood before ours would. You can actually see a current now. They must have fixed the drainage, which was the biggest problem from our community. There's huge canals that come out of here. But now if you look, you can see that there's actual current going out. It goes out behind these houses and then there's a big drainage ditch. But you can see there's a fire hydrant that you can only see the top few inches of. It's so bad. Did you see the gators? There was a gator in the pond yesterday. So there's one somewhere. I mean, we're up over my knees here. Oh. We're up almost to my thighs here. Right by the park next to the house. Pretty crazy to see your neighborhood like this. I guess it gives me a feeling what some of the people felt like during like the hurricane and stuff like that, but we're lucky we're not having bad winds or anything. I'm seeing just recently, as like half hour ago in Miami, the other coast, they're having winds and like full blown kind of tornadoes stuff over there. This is pretty bad. I mean, it's kind of fun for a minute, but it's only fun as long as nobody's hurt and the houses aren't hurt. You know, it really ruins some stuff for some people. But yeah, pretty crazy. I think we're getting pretty lucky. Supposedly it says that this rain's supposed to stop within the next hour. And let's hope that it drains pretty quickly after that, but I don't know. That's so weird. So weird. Back to the house.
Wake up. Oh. Oh.